پنجاب اور چین کے صوبے جیانگ کے درمیان معاشی تعاون کے فروغ کے لیے مقامی ہوٹل میں پنجاب جیانگ بزنس فورم کے عنوان سے سیسیمینار منعقد کیا گیا۔ بزنس فورم میں وزیر اعلی پنجاب اور چین کے صوبے کے سربراہ نے شرکت کی۔ پنجاب جیانگ بزنس فورم کے دوران دونوں صوبوں کے مابین معاشی تعاون کے معاہدے پر دستخط ہوئے، جبکہ دونوں صوبوں کے صنعت کاروں کے مابین بھی دو طرفہ تعاون کے معاہدوں پر دستخط کیے گئے۔ بزنس فورم کی تقریب سے خطاب کرتے ہوئے وزیر اعلی پنجاب محمد شہباز شریف کا کہنا تھا،
distinguished member of Chinese Communist Party and your visit as a great supporter of Pakistan-China's friendship, particularly the relation between Punjab and Jiangxi province is a matter of great support for us, encouragement for us. And I would like to convey my deep appreciation to you on my behalf and behalf of the people of Punjab and the government of Punjab. Excellency, our friendship is proverbial. Our friendship is unmatched. Our friendship is without conditions. Our friendship is without any kind of strings. And this friendship has no comparison in this world. China and Pakistan are two great neighborly, friendly countries, and this friendship has stood the test of the time. China has always been
شہباز شریف کا مزید کہنا تھا،
siding by Pakistan and standing by Pakistan through thick and thin, be they natural calamities, floods, earthquakes, wars, peace. China has always been a great supporter of Pakistan at international forums, supporting bilateral relations and supporting Pakistan's international stand at United Nations and other important forums. This kind of support has been there for the last 70 years, ever since Pakistan came to be. But this is not what China has done for Pakistan. The list is much longer. In these 70 years, China has gifted lots of important projects to Pakistan.
وزیر اعلی پنجاب شہباز شریف نے مزید کہا،
If I mention these projects, a lot of time will be used to list out those projects, and yet some of them would still be left over. Suffice it to say that this kind of generosity and support for Pakistan has been there from day one, and now it is 70 years that our two great countries have become supporters, have become friends, and share each other's sorrows and happiness, and let the world know that this is a friendship which is without any personal considerations. Excellency, this was July 2013, when after the elections, Prime Minister Sharif was invited by the Chinese leadership to undertake official visit to China.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
دیسی کھانوں کے متوالے ہو جائیں تیار، پاکستان کا سب سے بڑا بوفے ویکینڈ آ گیا ہے۔ 21, 22 اور 23 اپریل جمعہ ہفتہ اور اتوار پاکستان کا دسترخوان سجائے گا دیسی کھانوں کا بہترین انتخاب فیئر ہال گارڈنز کراچی میں. جو چاہو جتنا چاہو کھاؤ. #PKDKHI